How to log in your account on Wells Fargo. Are you guys facing issues to log in into your account on Wells Fargo? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Wells Fargo on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Wells Fargo on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Now, write down your registered username and password. Once you fill up all these details, just simply tap on sign on, and that's it guys. That's how you're going to log in into your account on Wells Fargo. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Wells Fargo application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye. See you.